Think you need video to grow on Instagram? Think again. The founder of Influence Marketing Studio landed a Forbes feature and a partnership with Meta without recording a single reel. The silent driver behind this brand spike was the carousel format. Most founders chase the reel craze. They overlook a format that attracts high-value clients and secures media placements. Carousels keep users on the app longer. They boost saves. They feed the algorithm what it wants. Analytics from Instagram show that carousel impressions are 1.8 times higher than single-image posts. Users swipe through an average of 4 to 5 slides. That extra time translates to a 30% lift in the likelihood of a save or a share. The algorithm rewards this behavior with higher reach. The format forces a narrative arc. You need a hook. You need value. You need a call to action. You need a teaser for the next slide. When built correctly, a carousel turns every post into a micro-course. This structure forces the viewer to commit. They must swipe to get the full story. This commitment signals value to the distribution system. It is a silent driver that works while you sleep. You do not need to invent new ideas every day. Start with a single image or a reel that you know performed well. Break that story into 8 to 12 slides. The first slide grabs attention. The middle slides deliver bite-sized insights. The final slide closes with a question or a call to action. Use the carousel caption to reinforce the hook. Add a timestamp value so users know exactly what they are getting. Repurposing boosts your content yield. One piece of content becomes 8 separate engagement points. This strategy feeds the algorithm with varied content signals. It keeps your account fresh. It also lowers your production cost. You are extracting maximum value from an idea that already proved itself. The market validated the concept. You're simply changing the packaging to extend its lifespan. This is how you scale without burning out. You build a system that recycles proven attention. Instagram rewards accounts that post consistently. You must use your analytics to pinpoint the 2 peak windows for your specific audience. These windows are usually early morning and late evening. Schedule your carousel batches for those slots. Keep a content calendar that maps 3 to 4 carousel ideas per week. Even if you only post twice a week, the algorithm will track the cadence. It will boost the reach of each carousel. This is especially true if the post receives immediate saves or comments. Consistency beats quantity. The algorithm treats irregular posts as low priority. It wants to promote accounts that keep people on the app. When you show up at the same time, your audience learns to expect you. They open the app looking for your content. This changes the dynamic from passive scrolling to active anticipation. That anticipation drives the initial engagement spike that pushes the post out to a broader audience. The timing acts as a multiplier for the format. It takes a good piece of content and makes it perform like a great one. Turn your carousel into a live conversation. Post a slide asking a question relevant to your niche. Then add subsequent slides with expert answers or user-generated content. Encourage comments by ending each carousel with a poll. The algorithm considers comments a strong sign of high engagement. Because of this, the carousel will surface to a broader audience. This approach positions you as a thought leader. It makes your direct message inquiries rise. People want to do business with experts who ask the right questions. By building community through interactive slides, you turn passive viewers into active leads. The second-order effect here is trust. A reel might get a quick laugh. A carousel Q&A demonstrates expertise. It shows you understand the specific pain points of your market. When a user comments on a poll, they are publicly endorsing your content. This social proof acts as a magnet for other high-value clients browsing your profile. It creates a compounding effect that scales your authority. There are common mistakes that kill carousel growth. First, overloading slides with text reduces readability. Keep captions short and let the visuals carry the message. Second, ignoring the first slide is fatal. It is your only chance to hook the viewer. If the first slide fails, the rest of the slides do not matter. Third, failing to use a clear call to action leaves money on the table. The carousel ends with a question, but no next step. Fourth, publishing without a consistent cadence hurts you. The algorithm treats irregular posts as low priority. Fifth, neglecting to analyze performance means you repeat the same mistakes. Without data, you are guessing. You cannot scale a guessing game. You must treat your content as a scientific experiment. Every slide is a variable. Every hook is a hypothesis. If a slide underperforms, you need to know why so you can adjust the narrative next time. The market will tell you what works if you listen to the data. Here is what to do next. Audit your top 5 performing posts. Convert each into an 8-slide carousel. Schedule them for your 2 peak times. Add a poll slide and a clear call to action to book a strategy call. Track saves, comments, and reach weekly. Adjust the narrative if a slide underperforms. The broader implication for people building or investing in this space is clear. Attention is shifting away from short-form video fatigue. Users want depth. They want to swipe through a structured argument at their own pace. Carousels offer a controlled environment. You dictate the speed of information delivery. This controlled environment is what attracts high-value clients. They do not want to be entertained. They want to be educated. Your next carousel could land a client, a media feature, or a new partnership. The format is proven. The system is repeatable. The only barrier is execution. You have the blueprint. Now you have to build the machine. Watch how your save rates change over the next 30 days. Pay close attention to the direct messages you receive after posting a Q&A carousel. Those direct messages are your leading indicator for future revenue and client acquisition.